Hello, Rara.
Hello.
What are you doing up so late?
I'm listening to a noise.
That's a strange noise, isn't it? What do you think it is?
I don't know. I heard a noise. What can it be? Let's go find it. Come with me. Hello. What are you all doing?
Shh! Up there!
Wow! That's the noise I heard before. That's amazing. What is it?
It's a firefly. They come out at night and go fizz, buzz,
Whoosh! And zip, zap, whee!
and sometimes, when there are lots of them, they do the firefly dance. I've read all about it in my special book. See?
Ooh! Do you think we'll see them do the firefly dance tonight?
Yes.
Maybe. Fizz! Buzz! Whoosh! Zip! Zap! Whee!
Oh no! The firefly's gone. We must have scared it away.
Oh no! There it is! Over there!
Come on, everyone. Follow me.
Follow the firefly, fizz, buzz, whoosh!
Follow the firefly, fizz, buzz, whoosh!
Where are we?
There's the firefly.
Hey! Listen to the grass! It's rustling! Rustle, rustle, rustle! Rustle, rustle, rustle! Rustle, rustle, rustle! Rustle, rustle, rustle!
Shh, Rara, you'll scare it away.
Oops! Sorry, Topsy.
We've got to be quiet around the firefly. It doesn't like it being noisy.
There it is! Over there in the jungliest bit. And look! There's two of them now. Let's go! Maybe we should wait till daytime?
We can't. Fireflies only come out at night.
Yes! This could be the only chance we'll ever get to see the firefly dance. Okay.
Follow the fireflies, fizz, buzz, whoosh. Follow the fireflies, fizz, buzz, whoosh.
Fizz! Buzz! Whoosh!
Shh. There they are.
What was that? It was me. I trod on a stick. Listen. Crick, crack, snip, snap. Crick, crack,
wait.
snip, snap.
Shh.
Crick, crack, snip, snap. Crick, crack, snip, snap. Crick, crack, snip, snap.
Stop it. We need to be quiet. Fireflies don't like loud noises.
Oh no! Sorry, Topsy. I forgot. There they are. Look. There's lots and lots of them now. Wow! Topsy, come on!
No, wait. Shh. Rara.
Fizz! Buzz! Whoosh! They're going to do the dance! Whoa! Topsy. I didn't mean to. I just wanted to see the firefly dance.
Well, they've all gone now, so I'm going home. Which way is home?
Oh, I want to go home. Oh, if I hadn't scared off the fireflies, then we wouldn't have come so far from home. Oh, I wish I wasn't so noisy. Wait! All the noises are made on the way. Maybe they can help us find our way home. Look! Here's the bush. And, whoa! There's the tree stump I tripped on. See? So, next we need to find the pile of sticks.
But how?
Easy! Everyone hold tails. Crick crack! Snip snap! It's the pile of sticks. We found it.
Oh, well done, Rara.
Crick crack!
Snip snap! Crick crack! Snip snap!
Now everyone hold tails again and we'll try and find the rustly grass. Rustle, rustle, rustle! It's the rustly grass. Come on.
Rustle, rustle, rustle! Rustle, rustle, rustle! This is fun! Look! It's Rara's house! Yay! We're nearly home!
Come on.
It worked! Thanks, Rara! Yeah!
No, wait. Shush. Everyone quiet. Look.
It's the fireflies! I think they're going to dance! Hooray! We saw the firefly dance at last! All thanks to noisy Rara! Thanks, Rara!
Thanks. Night, everyone.
Night, Rara!
Well done, Rara. You found your way back home.
And we saw the firefly dance.
You did. And it was lovely, wasn't it?
Yes. We found the noise we heard today. Come again soon and we can play.